In a world where creativity knows no bounds, your smartphone becomes your ultimate tool for video editing. Discover the top 5 free video editing apps that will transform your phone into a mobile editing studio. At number 5, we have Adobe Premiere Rush. This versatile app offers powerful editing tools in a user-friendly interface. Perfect for creating content on the go, Adobe Premiere Rush is a must-have for mobile filmmakers. Next up at number 4, we have InShot. With its intuitive design and comprehensive features, InShot is perfect for beginners and experienced editors alike. Plus, it's available for both iOS and Android devices. Number 3 on our list is Kinemaster. Packed with advanced editing tools and professional-grade features, Kinemaster allows you to create stunning videos right from your phone. It's a game-changer for mobile content creators. Coming in at number 2, we have Quik by GoPro. This app is perfect for quickly creating and editing videos on the fly. With its automatic editing features and customizable templates, Quik makes editing a breeze. And finally, our number 1 pick, iMOVIE. Available exclusively for iOS devices, iMOVIE offers a seamless editing experience with powerful features like green screen effects and 4K video support. There you have it, folks. Our top 5 free video editing apps for your phone. Whether you are editing on iOS or Android, these apps have everything you need to create professional-looking videos anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching.